Zoom GT Cut 3 has cemented its place as a standout performer in both the NBA and WNBA, earning praise as one of Nike's top modern basketball shoes. While fans may be eager for news of a potential GT Cut 4, Nike is continuing to build on the current model's success with fresh colorways for fall 2025. One of the latest is the eye-catching Glacier Blue edition. Dominated by icy blue tones, the shoe's most striking feature is the enlarged ZoomX branding beneath the heel, highlighting the advanced cushioning tech that made it a favorite among athletes. A gradient swoosh adds sunset-inspired contrast against the cool, oceanic upper, with the theme echoed in the outsole design. The Nike Zoom GT Cut 3 Glacier Blue is expected to release on Nike.com and at select retailers throughout fall 2025, priced at $200.